All right, fam. We out here. We recording. Can you see me? Howdy. 2 more subscribers. 2 more subscribers. Who is it gonna be? Guys, what is going on? It's your boy Rami from RQ's Garage, and this is a quick update, but we made it. We reached 1,000 subscribers on my YouTube channel. I cannot thank you enough. To the viewers, to the fans, to everyone who's been supporting me, my family, my friends, my loved ones, thank you so much for this great accomplishment. I mean, we're only going straight up from here. We were talking about 100 subscribers, 200, 500, 700, but now we've reached 1,000. And I wanted to reach 1,000 by the end of 2021. So I still had about, 2 months left. So we reached that goal pretty quick. So we're just gonna keep going to the moon on this trend. I got some new equipment, so I have a device that's following me around right now. We are just expanding and growing RQ's Garage. We got new equipment. We got plenty of videos to come, so I apologize for the delay. I've just been working a lot on my career and everything from my personal side of things, but we are gonna be back, I promise you. Just a quick update for my fans. Love you guys. Thank you so much. See you soon.